Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to compare two popular training platforms. These are Trainual and the Lessonly, which is now part of Seismic. So both are made to help companies train their employee. Now good training software is important because when employee learn faster, the company grow faster. But the big question is which one is better, Trainual or the Lessonly? But before we begin, let me tell you one thing. In the description of this video, I have added links where you can check official details, updated prices and the best deal for these tools. So make sure to check that out after watching this video. Now let's start with the Trainual. Trainual is very popular with small to medium sized businesses. It helps you to put all of your company's process in one place, and it also keeps the policies and the training material also in a single place. For example, if you have a new employee, you don't have to explain in everything again and again. You just give them access to Trainual and they can read or watch the training. So Trainual also support videos, checklists and quizzes. The platform is easy to use and new employees can get started quickly. Now let's talk about the Lessonly. Lessonly is focused more on learning by doing. It gives you lessons, practices and coaching tools. Many sales teams use it because it helps with role playing and feedback. With Seismic, Lessonly is now more powerful because you can also connect training with Sales Connect and Analytics, and this is very good for larger companies who wants advanced training and performance tracking. So which one is better in this time? If you are a small or mid-sized business and you want something simple, then Trainual is the best option for you. But if you are a bigger company, especially if you have a sales team, then Lessonly with Seismic is a great option because it gives you more advanced training features. So both are good, but they serve different needs. So that was the comparison video between Trainual and the Lessonly. Don't forget to check the description for the latest detail and deal. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.